Today I'm about to teach you how to make some fall off the bone barbecue rib. You know, most people do their ribs on the grill straight out, or they're having a problem with it, they can't get it off the bone. But today I'll be solving that for you. Making a dry rub, marinating your ribs. It's very easy. And then to the other part, then you have the cooking part, and then you have the finish. So let's get into the video.
So now you're gonna need some pickling spice, mixture spice. We're gonna put that, ground that up. And we're gonna add that with all the other, you need thyme, cumin, Caribbean jerk, chili powder, ground ginger, ground coriander. And we're gonna need some celery seed. Mix all your spice together. It doesn't matter what order it's in. Once you all mix them, add some brown sugar. We're gonna mix that thoroughly. Add my chili. I add salt, pepper to that. Get your ribs, add some mustard. Now you're gonna rub that in. You're gonna take your spice mixture and you're gonna add that, coat it really nice. Then you're gonna rub it in. So we're gonna get vinegar. I usually use 2 to 1. So 1 vinegar, and I'll do 2 cups of apple cider or apple juice. Then you mix those together. I add a little brandy in mine. I love the flavor of it. And you're gonna need foil paper. And you're gonna need a saran wrap, aka plastic wrap. So you're gonna lay your ribs baste the ribs with your apple cider vinegar and bourbon mix. Make sure you get a lot of juice at the bottom of it. So now you're going to set your oven to 275 and 3 hours. So now we're going to make the barbecue sauce. Jerk season, brown sugar. I put some bourbon in there too, can't be too much. Nutmeg, a little bit of curry, and a little bit of jerk dry season, a little mustard. And now we're gonna whisk that in all together. Let's go back and check on your ribs. Ribs is done. We cut that out of it, let the steam out. And now we're gonna put our mixture that we just made, our barbecue sauce on top. We're gonna baste it nicely. And we're gonna put that in our oven. You can turn your oven up to 400 for 10 minutes. You're gonna be golden, nice caramelized color on your rib. Ready to go, baby. You can always check it to see how tender it is. Fall off the bone. Ask this guy.
You know, thanks for watching. It's the Rapping Chef.